You've smiled when you didn't want to, laughed when the joke wasn't funny. You've skipped wearing your favorite outfit because you thought they'd judge you. You've walked into a room and instantly shape-shifted into whatever version of yourself would be most likable. But today, we're cutting those strings. Because Lao Tzu, the man who literally ghosted society to write down how not to give a damn, already left you the cheat codes. In this video, we're diving into 25 brutally liberating reasons why you should stop caring what people think. Let's go. Oh, by the way, I always feature my favorite comment from the last video at the end, so stick around to see if it's yours. 1. They're not even thinking about you that much. You think they're analyzing every detail of your awkward wave or your bad haircut. No. They're too busy overthinking their own awkward wave and their own bad haircut. People are self-absorbed. 2. Their judgment has nothing to do with you. You show up confident, they call you arrogant. You stay quiet, they call you weak. You express yourself, they call you cringe. Newsflash: people judge through the lens of their own insecurities. You're not being evaluated, you're just being used as a mirror they don't like looking into. 3. Lao Tzu said, care about what other people think and you will always be their prisoner. You're locking yourself in a jail cell with open doors. You're begging for freedom while holding the key in your pocket. Why? Because someone you don't even like might frown at your choices. 4. Most people don't even know what they're doing with their own life, and you're worried about their opinion. They don't even know what they want to eat for dinner. 5. You'll die anyway. Let's get morbid for a sec. You will die. So will everyone judging you. And in 100 years, nobody will give a damn whether you wore mismatched socks or dated that weirdo. 6. Confidence isn't loud. It's indifferent. Real confidence is doing your thing with or without applause. 7. Fitting in is a survival tactic, not a fulfillment strategy. Back in caveman days, fitting in meant staying alive. Today, it means blending into a crowd of exhausted, unfulfilled clones. 8. Nobody respects a chronic apologizer. You're not annoying. You've just been trained to think that being yourself is disruptive. It's not. 9. The world is full of trend-following zombies. Today they shame you. Tomorrow they copy you. Do something bold and watch people hate it until it becomes a trend. 10. Haters are low-effort content creators. They don't build. They scroll, compare, judge, complain. 11. Inner peace is louder than approval. Approval fades, peace lasts. Lao Tzu called it returning to the root. It's not deep, it's just choosing you. 12. People-pleasing is just emotional bribery. You're not being nice. You're making trades. It's fake, and it never works. 13. Because being misunderstood is a sign. You're doing something right. If everyone gets you, you're probably not saying anything new. 14. Because you'll never escape criticism. Be rich, you're greedy. Be poor, you're lazy. Be single, you're lonely. Be in love, you're too soft. It doesn't matter what you do, they'll talk. 15. Their opinions don't pay your bills. So why are you outsourcing your self-worth to people who aren't even part of your survival? 16. Because people only see a fraction of you. They don't know your full story. They don't know the tears you held in or the storms you survived. So why are you letting partial strangers define your entire worth? 17. Their standards are always changing. Today they like bold people. Tomorrow they like humble people. Next week it's minimalist. Then it's luxurious. You'll break your back trying to keep up. Stop adapting. Start leading. 18. Because time spent worrying is time you could have been winning. Every minute you spend stressing about them is a minute stolen from your growth, peace, and goals. Lao Tzu said, "He who conquers others is strong. He who conquers himself is mighty." You want to win? Start with your own mind. 19. Most people are walking projections of their past wounds. That person calling you too much? They were probably told to shrink as a kid. That person calling you fake? They've been surrounded by liars. 20. Obsessing over others is emotional slavery. You're chained to imaginary thoughts, what they might say, what they might think. You're living in fear of phantoms. It's like being haunted, by opinions that aren't even spoken out loud. 21. Most people will forget you anyway. The barista, the guy from high school, that one random coworker, they'll forget your name, face, and awkward moments. But you'll carry the weight forever if you don't let go. Don't let temporary people cause permanent anxiety. 22. You were not born to be a damned mascot. You're not here to perform, impress, or entertain everyone. 23. You'll never find peace until you prioritize it. You want peace? Then prioritize your soul over their approval, your silence over their chaos, your truth over their confusion. Lao Tzu didn't go to the mountains to impress people. He went to remember who the hell he was. 24. The people who matter already love you. You don't need to impress the whole world. Just be real with the few who already get it. Your people don't need a performance. They need your true self. 25. The most dangerous version of you is the one who doesn't give a damn anymore. When you finally stop caring what people think, you become unshakable. You speak freely, move boldly, live unapologetically. You don't become reckless. You become real. You stop shrinking. You stop pleasing. You stop apologizing for existing. And suddenly, the world either respects you or fears you. Either way, you're finally free. This is your sign to stop. Because while you're over here losing sleep over what they think, they're out here binge-watching reality TV and forgetting your name by lunchtime. Unshackle your mind. Live your life. Let them think whatever the hell they want. Like Lao Tzu said, when you let go of who you are, you become what you might be. So go be it. The comment of the day goes to Mr. Trouble Team, and he said, perfect content. Why didn't you just say it like that the first time, Mom? Bro really called me out and dragged his mom into it. Okay, that's kinda a legend behavior, but hey, don't tell Mom I said that.